This video demonstrates how to install the new push-button wall control for the LiftMaster Industrial DC Commercial Door Trolley and Hoist style operators models JDC, JHDC, and TDC. These products are not for residential use. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate a dealer. The new wall controller features an LCD panel which provides access to the programming menu and other important status information. Make sure power is not connected or turned on before connecting the wall controller. To prevent possible serious injury or death from a closing door, install the wall controller within sight of the door, out of reach of small children, at a minimum height of 5 feet, 1.5 meters, above landings, steps, or any other adjacent walking surface, away from all moving parts of the door. Follow these steps to mount the wall controller. Measure and mark the wall at the appropriate height per regulatory requirements. Loosen the screws to remove the cover. Remove the knockouts from the mounting bracket. You will need to supply wire for the wall controller. Use 2 conductor wire that is 14 to 22 gauge stranded or 12 to 22 gauge solid wire. Follow these steps for wiring to the wall controller. Confirm 2 conductor wire is routed through the conduit up to the operator. Attach the conduit from the operator to the mounting bracket. When routing the wiring from monitored entrapment protection devices through the wall controller up to the operator, attach the conduit from below and splice any wiring connections as needed. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall using hardware you will supply. Be sure to mount it with the correct end up. Connect the wires to the terminals on the back of the wall controller. Polarity doesn't matter. Reattach the cover to the mounting bracket and tighten the screws. Attach the warning placard to the wall next to the wall controller. Follow these steps to connect the wall controller at the power head. Route the wires from the wall controller into the operator and connect the conduit. Locate the connector labeled Wall Controller. Plug in the wires from the wall controller. Polarity doesn't matter. That's it. The new push-button wall control is ready to be powered on for use. Visit support.partner.liftmaster.com to learn more about how to get the most out of LiftMaster products with MyQ Facility.